Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Now, oh my goodness, this is from Ellen Wille. And I had the opportunity to meet the team at Ellen Wille when I was in Dallas, Texas, last month, a few months ago. So great company, great artistry, and a new love really of Ellen Wille styles. So this style is called Tabu in Rosewood Rooted. Now I've put on my blue dress because I like my blue dress with my red or rosewood type of shades. Let's start on the inside. So this is an open wefted cap with a basic front and a little bit of lace here and this lace area here. So this is going to give the appearance of scalp, and it's going to make the hair lay a little bit better on the top. You'll see in a minute. So let's go ahead and put this on. Beautiful rosewood color. I'm in front of a big window here in my front room. Natural light, no ring light. So let's put her on. Again, this is Tabu by Ellen Wille in Rosewood Rooted. So what I noticed, let's fix the ear tabs. So the ear tabs go on either side of your head. Now, I'm an average size cap, and I'd say Ellen Wille wigs are true to size. They fit very snug like a glove, not uncomfortably snug, but there is no extra room in here. Now let's look for that little lace area. So this was hard front here, but a little bit of lace here, which gives the illusion of scalp. And then over here on the top, this is going to make the hair lie down, which is beautiful. Now, this is straight out of the box. So this looks like it came right from the salon, and literally this is right out of the box. We shook her out and put her on. That's all we did. No glue, no nothing. This is just a beautiful wig. And I'd love your thoughts. Rosewood Rooted. Do the flip test. Oh, she's not going anywhere. No, not at all. And very natural looking. Let me show you the back. Super lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I have any hair on. It just feels just beautiful and lightweight. Again, right out of the box. Rosewood Rooted. Let's take another look underneath the cap because I'm curious about something here. Let's look about a part. So really there's no defined parting area. We see this piece of hint of lace. So we know that that's got to go right here. So that's going to line up with my wig cap. Let's put her back on now that we've clarified that. Adjust the ear tabs. Just gorgeous. She's high heat friendly, so you can use a curling iron on her, or what I love is the new Envy 3-in-1 styler. If you haven't seen it yet, check out some of my videos because it is a game changer, ladies. You can use it on synthetic, high heat friendly synthetic and natural hair. It's phenomenal. And it would put curl in this or treat the ends as they get frizzy just from wear. With this sweater, it's going to create some friction. But I love this. Would love your opinion. Tabu by Ellen Wille in the color Rosewood Rooted. Cheers.